Good afternoon. So I figured out that my first recording did not record. For my metaphor, I compared it to art. I started with a quote that art enables us to find ourselves and lose ourselves at the same time. I basically view each of us as a work in progress. We are each unique with our own strengths and weaknesses. We work hard to create something beautiful with our lives. No matter how hard we work, our work will never be the same or copied like anyone else's. We begin our journey with a clean, white slate. For me, it was easier to understand things if I broke it down a little bit differently. So I started with the principles. Principles are a doctrinal based guideline, and they basically answer the question of what. So, with the question of what, we all have a vision of what we want to create before we begin in all areas of our life. If we don't, we ponder and then come up with an idea that we picture, like we want to draw, or whatever. But we start with an image in our mind. And then with that choice that we make, that then determines our parameters that we work in, whether it's an 8.5, 11 piece of paper or a piece of canvas. Putting this into the classroom, I can prepare my parameters, which is the classroom, set the guidelines in the classroom to be a classroom of learning, creativity, love, acceptance, hard work, welcoming, safe, understanding, energetic, forgiving, and respectful. Once you understand what you want to create and you want to teach the children, then I can then supply my room with the right supplies and tools I need for each student to succeed and move forward. From there, I went over to the doctrines, which answer the questions of why. Why is it important for me to draw a picture of a peach or to teach the differences between a brushstroke or charcoal? Why is it important for us to teach it all? We all learn differently. We are each unique in how we learn. There's a purpose to the madness, and that is to reach and help each student within the classroom come to understand and know they are a child of God with a purpose, to help them each recognize the masterpiece they are and of the great worth that they hold within. They are not a cheap imitation of someone else, but a priceless piece of art. Lastly, your tools. The tools are the action steps, practices, or procedures that they answer the question of how. I can pray for each student, get to know them, listen to them, engage in their lives, and advocate for them. I can work with each other, observe, listen to promptings, and see them as Christ sees them. There are so many options and so many mediums to choose from when we begin. Not one is better than the other. They each create beauty in their own way and time. I pray as I get to know and understand each children in the classroom, I can supply them with the tools and supplies that they will need to create their very own masterpiece.